Good morning, I'm David Smith with Skyline Roofing, and today we're on a project down here in Staunton, Virginia, where we're doing a coating on an EPDM roof. We're about midway through this project right now. We've done a flashing grade sealer on it. We've done a sacrificial pass where we're sealing up all the seams and penetrations around the roof. And we're getting ready to do a second pass and get this up to the millage that's gonna create a nice 20-year-long warranty on this roof and give this customer what they're looking for as far as protecting their building and protecting their assets from water intrusion into the building. As you can see, this roof used a button system, a mechanical attachment that could hold this roof down, keep the roof from blowing off and kind of hold it here. We have to treat these a little bit differently when we're doing a coating process. So we do a nice heavy seam grade caulk over the buttons to make sure they're well sealed up, and then we can go over and do the entire pass on the silicone coating. As you can see right here, where the seams are in the building, where the original EPDM sheets were seamed together, you can see that we also did that flash grade caulking to make a nice heavy barrier over there to keep water intrusion, and then we can just go right over top of that with the field spray. Here we have a curb system that's holding up the ventilation or HVAC type system for the building. You can see, again, we really go around these type of details. There's a heavy grade of silicone sealant around this to really make sure that there's no water penetration and this holds up well for a long period of time for the customer. One of the challenges with a button style roof system is that they present a lot more penetrations in the roof, which can make it a challenge, and a good solution for that is this coating system. As I said, we can go over top of this with the flashing grade caulk, really make sure those buttons are sealed up, and then go over top of it and create a monolithic system, meaning one system that's just one singular piece of membrane that's over top of the whole roof and doesn't allow for any cracks or penetrations in the roof system to make sure that there's no water intrusion into the building. So this is exhibiting the two different types of roofs that we have up here right now. This is an original EPDM roof on this side that is scheduled to be coated down the road. This side is where we're going with the new coating system. We have a coping cap that comes down the middle here. You can see where we use the flashing grade caulk on all the seams, all the screws, to make sure that the penetrations are all sealed up well, and do an overall spray over top of all that to make sure that we have that monolithic coating over top. Thanks again for joining us on this project here today down in Staunton, Virginia, looking at the silicone coating. Again, I'm David Smith with Skyline Roofing, and we appreciate you joining us today.